What's up guys, ENC Gaming here. So today we're back doing another crate opening. Today we're going to be doing a 100 crate opening. So let's get straight into it. I've already bought all the crates. That's the BMW that we made. I changed the wrap on it. Looks nicer. So there's our 100 crates. Let's go. VX T56. Not as good as the turbo I have on this car. Not very good rims. Not very good pistons. Sunfade's pretty nice. Here's what Sunfade looks like, if you guys want to see it. Right there. It's just a fade of sun going from bright to dark. So, color glow looks nicer, in my opinion. Blast Pipes V2. Not very good. Ooh, the hot rod's pretty good. Let's go see what that looks like. Where is it? Ooh, that looks pretty nice. I think I'm gonna keep that. Who thinks we should keep that? Put black rims on it? Yeah? We need some nice black rims. Got some black rims. That's pretty nice. The XT42, like I said, not very good. I've opened 10 crates so far. Whew. Let's see. Ooh, a surfboard. 5,000 cash, not too bad. Burn slicks, not too bad. Full burner. Later on today, I will be making a Madden mobile video. I posted my first one yesterday, so if you want to go check that out, just click onto my channel, and it'll be the first video in my uploads. So, a Rocket Bunny kit. Should I put that on my Corvette? Let's see. What does it look like on my Corvette? I have 3. Ooh, I already have one equipped to my Corvette. So what about if we take the drag kit off the BMW? That might look pretty good. No, drag kit's better. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with the drag kit. We'll sell that Rocket Bunny kit later. VX Racing, not too bad. SL Rats, not too good rims. Ooh, those are really good rims. So let's put those on. Some nice black rims. Skies. Blue carbon fiber, not too good. Rusty spoon, like the worst one I could get. Orange form. I don't know how much cash that was. I wasn't. Ooh, that's pretty good. That was pretty good. Not that good of rims. Not seats. Oh my. Pink Tiger, got some of those. I don't use them. Teals, no, I don't use them. Weld Pros, I don't use them. I don't use those. I don't think I will either. 10,000 cash, pretty good. SL Gens, nope. 75,000 cash, pretty good. Neon headlight tint, those go for 17,000. Hexafade. If anyone's wondering what the Hexafade looks like, this is what it looks like on a car. Doesn't look that nice. What did I have on here? Oh yeah, the hot rod. So let's quickly go put that back on. No, I don't use teal. 100,000 cash. Nope. That might look good. No. Doesn't. Sticker bomb roof rack. Let's see what that looks like on my GTR. Sticker bomb roof rack. Nope, don't like it. 5,000 cash, not too good. Red headlight tint, not very good. Olive brakes. One, not very good. We're at the halfway point. So, let's hope we can get something good. Ooh, gold deep rims. Those are nice. Freaking tow hooks. Welds. TE38. Pride comfort. Neon headlight tint again. Holy. 100,000 cash. Pretty good. Not that good. Not that good. Not that good. Teal deep rims. Okay, guys. Sorry, I gotta go. I had to go because we were in the car, and now we're gonna continue it. 37 crates left. Let's go. SL Rats, not very good rims. Ooh, Pink Tiger, not very good either. Street Style, not very good. Teal deep rims. I don't like teal, but I like deep rims. Oh, black rims. I already got some good black rims. So. 30 left. Ooh. SL Rats. Blue Carbon. VX Racer. Kawaii. Okay, not a very good paint, but... Ooh, 20,000 cash? Okay. Not very good Pistons. Another 20,000 cash. Holy. Silver rims. Nope. The hookers. Like tow hooks. No. They're freaking horrible. Ooh, a hyper circuit. I got 2 in my last crate opening. Now I have 3. Looks pretty good. I'm not gonna keep it on though. I'm gonna quickly go back and put on the hot rod. Yeah, there we go. 21. Ooh, another color glow. Let's just go show you how much the color glows are worth. Inventory, the rusty spoons are horrible. So, each color glow is worth 1.1 million. That's really good. Freaking tow hook number 2. Neon headlight tint, pretty good. 1552. SL Gen, not very good. Sunfade, already showed you guys what that one is. Gold Steelies, I don't really like those steely rims. Ooh, that's a really nice one. A Hyper Circuit Clear. I already got those rims and the Hyper Circuit Clear. Oh, I just got that. 9 left. Oh, well, those are the first rims you can buy. Oh my gosh, those are so crap. Freaking crap again. Ooh, 100,000 cash, okay. Pink Tiger's horrible. Ooh, the Mammoth Mini 2K Gold. That's pretty good, but the exhaust I have in my car is better. Camo Green. Oh, sorry, I mean the turbo in my car is better. Oh, I'm an idiot. Can't speak today. And a spoon. So, that's all for today, guys. See you in the next video. Like, subscribe if you're new. Comment what you think. Peace.